So now let's get familiar with call to action block inside of Strikingly. So over here I have a blank page, and if I want to go ahead and add in a call to action block, I can go to add new section right here, and the first option right here, the first block is the call to action. So here under call to action, you can see that I got various blocks right here with clickable buttons right here. For example, I can go ahead and click on this one right here, where you can go ahead and enter out your name and email and submit it out. So you can see that call to action has something that is interactive right here. If I were to go around over here, let's see some other call to action as well. For example, this one, it says enhance your skill, and then this actually has let's say Google Play Store and App Store icon right here, in which you can go ahead and add in links as you want. So this is a quick action section right here that you can utilize. If I were to go ahead and then click on add to section, over here I can go ahead and click on this, let's say for example, and this is what you have. Now you got the subscribe now and contact us button right here, something to interact with the particular section is there. Let's just go around over here, and you can see that this is the other one right here, which says subscribe now. So let's just go ahead right here, and the other one right here is unlock your potential right here, and then subscribe now and get in touch. You can go ahead right here onto this call to action, and you can see that there's some text, explore now, something to interact with again, and then there's the pro version right here, just like this, as you can see right here, which says subscribe now right here with the slider, as you can see right here. So now if I were to actually go around over here, you can see that I can go ahead and edit everything out right here. For example, you can change the name, you can set an email, so there's some place to go ahead and submit out your content. And this is basically what you have. For this call to action, you can see that there's simply a placement link. For contact us, you can simply go ahead and link it to URL. Same goes for this one as well. So with some it has forms, with some it has buttons right here that you can go ahead and work out with. And for each of the layout right here, you got the options right here. You can choose full height, and then you can see bottom space, and you can reset out the space, change around the width right here, and change around the background as you want right here, just like this as well. So this is what the call to action block is inside of Strikingly, to get your visitors to quickly act upon something. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.